welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the moving vlog, except I'm in the future of this video and I was editing it right there and I realized I did not film an intro of any sort. So welcome to this video. And I also want to film some organizing and just throw in things in the video because moving has been all over the place. Chaotic, unpacking, not unboxing, unpacking everything. All of that has just been all over the place. So I have very random footage, but yeah, so a lot of unpacking of the kitchen a little bit in this video, the living room a little bit, kind of showing you guys some last minute touches. I have some footage of my dad building our little it's like entryway bench thing. So the footage I have is all over the place, so I wanted to kind of try to come on now and film a little bit to get everything more organized for this video so it's like less chaotic to watch. So in the beginning of this video, I'm just like moving in, vacuuming, putting our couch from the apartment together, which is way too small, but we haven't even looked for a new couch yet, so nothing's changed there. But we have unpacked a lot of our kitchen, which is actually going to be in the next video, not this video but the next. There's more of that. It's a little morning in my life and unpacking, because we didn't unpack and move everything in all in one day. We've kind of been doing like, well, now we're pretty far. We've unpacked a lot of the kitchen, or pretty much all of the kitchen and all of the rooms. Pretty much all we have now is unpacked, besides our bedroom is a mess. I'll show you guys, but it is not like done. But that's gonna be a whole video, whole room transformation, because we've been sleeping in our guest bedroom, which is this room here, which is technically our guest room, but we are going to get a new bed and redo our whole room and then leave this bed in here as a guest room. That's where we're at. And then we've just been organizing stuff, organizing the pantry, linen closet. I'm about to organize my makeup because I bought some organizers yesterday and I have my vanity set up. It's really cute. I'll show you guys that. And I'll just show you little updates around the house because there's definitely a ton of decor and everything like that. I mean, not a ton, but we do have some, so I will show you guys that. This video is all over the place and I apologize for that, but that is just how moving has been, so bear with me. Really fun. We're so happy to be here. It's been so exciting, and the whole moving part's not necessarily the fun part, but actually living here, just the best. So much fun. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get right into this video.
I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with me and you're half asleep and I can count
Few updates. We added these floating wood, focus, shelves, and this is like our coffee stuff. Our couch is in here now. Bradley's trying to set up Wi-Fi, but it's so small we have to get a new couch. It's just what we have for now. And then our read bags in here with it's just a mess. So don't mind any of that. A little table right there. This is a desk. Oh, I haven't even showed you guys this. This desk I bought off of Facebook Marketplace. It is so cute. It's a it's the World Market desk. That's like $350. I got it for $150, so I'm really proud of that because it's like brand new. And my parents gave me this chair. And I have this rug right here. We've just been unpacking some things from the house, carrying stuff. We don't have a ton in here yet. That's what my makeup will be on, really cute. But yeah, we've just been unpacking stuff. It's all pretty much in the garage. Right here and right here, so we have a lot of stuff. Very chaotic and crazy, but that is the update. These shelves are so cute. This is where I'm gonna have our
espresso machine set up and then like some coffee stuff on these shelves. I think it's gonna be super, super cute. Look at this knife set, it's gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. It's so pretty. My brother and his girlfriend got this for our wedding gift and I'm obsessed. It's just so nice. It's pretty chaotic. This couch is like far too small. Clearly there's so much room. And this rug is way, way, way itty bitty little. You can kind of tell from this angle better how small. But it'll do until we find the couch and get it. But this rug is like so little. And we don't have a table. But we had our TV on. Not a table, but a TV stand. What we had our TV on in the apartment was this. And I was like, how cute would this be as a little entryway table? So, have that there. But okay, that's the updates for right now. I forgot to mention, we put the doors back up and we got these matte black hinges and doorknobs to elevate the look. And they look so nice. I'll show you with them close. It's a little dark in here, but they look so good. And those are from Amazon on my Amazon storefront. So yeah, love it. It's on all the doors. Besides our door, we have a pocket door. Kind of weird, but they look super good. So, okay, that was all.
I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with me and you're half asleep and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you're like. Then you say, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be more worried it'll never begin. So I'll ask, how is life in Hollywood if all your dreams came true? Then how come every time we talk you act like you're too cool?
Okay, so in this video, the kitchen's like not done up at all, but here's the shelves I was showing. They are decorated. I'll tell you guys everything's from. So that I got from Marshall's, Target. These are from Pottery Barn. What is on my finger? That's mascara. Amazon, I don't know, it was a birthday present, and then Target. So cute. And then over here, our, wow, messy. I made a coffee this morning and I need to clean it up, but I'm making Bradley one soon, so I'm not cleaning it up yet. But newlywed table from Anthropologie. Then I have two cutting boards. I'm not sure where this one's from, but this one's from Bell's Outlet. Pottery Barn cups again, but this is like my favorite corner of the kitchen. It's so cute, little plant. It's just, the whole vibe is there and I love it. So this toaster, those are Oakley's meds. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know he was sick. That's why I haven't posted. Life's been crazy. But toaster is from Target. It's so cute. I love it. Bell's Outlet, Target. This was from Marshall's. These are Cuisinart knives. They're gorgeous. I've shown these, I think, in this video. Dish drying rack is from Target. Over here, I have a Cuisinart mixer, and then I think this is from Pottery Barn, and then Our Place, Target, Pottery Barn, Tavella, some organizers for our refrigerator, which we just got. In this, no, not this video, the next video I think I'm gonna post, we get our new appliances, which I'm obsessed with. They're beautiful, they're so gorgeous, but we actually had issues I didn't talk about, so I'm kind of backtracking here, but our oven was great, except our installers were terrible. They didn't install anything. They left our oven right here and our fridge over here. But this is fine. We got it in there. And then the fridge that we got, we took off the plastic. They didn't even put the arms on, or the handles, and we unpackaged it and there was a dent right here, so we got a new one. They brought us a new one and it's amazing. It's entirely empty. I mean, there's a few things in it, but there's some, we had tacos yesterday, but it's empty. So that'll be fun to organize. I'll probably put that in another video, more like grocery shopping and organizing. And then here's our pantry, which I'm organizing. We have to buy doors for it. Don't mind down there, but I'm organizing that. I have a few more of these jars I can put stuff in. Baskets are from Marshall's, so cute. Couch, put that side table there. Bradley's napping right here. That TV stand we just got and put together. It's from Wayfair, which we also got another TV stand in here, which is from Walmart. And don't mind the plates. Again, my parents came over yesterday, we had tacos, so the table's pulled out. I'll insert a cuter picture because right now it's pulled out and not set, but table is from Home Depot. These are from Amazon. All these plates, along with the pretty blue ones, are from Kirkland's. The vase is from Bell's Outlet, and my flowers are dying. So, into our room. This is where it's a total mess, like I was talking about. Yeah. There's a lot to do. This is like random clothes and just random stuff that we have to get through. But through here is my little vanity area. I just put this runner rug, and then the desk that we had from the apartment that I put this big mirror on. And then I just bought this yesterday at Bell's Outlet. It actually is storage as well, which is nice. But I just bought little containers to put some of my makeup in to get it off of the top. So that's great. And then our closet, the light bulb not working. I have to change it, so don't mind that it's dark. But here's our closet. It's really big and I take up half the clothes, but that's okay. I need to make our bed, which I'm gonna do, and I just bought these lamps from Bell's Outlet yesterday, which I think will look way cuter than these ones. So they were on clearance for $12 a piece. That is just so good. Our bedding, all of our pillows. So yeah, okay, that was the overview. Whoa, this lighting sucks. There's your overview of everything we've done. Oh, and this room, which I think I show this desk, but now there's things on it. And I put this rug underneath it, which I think looks way cuter than the one that's in the video. And then here's my little garden over here growing. It's not really a garden, but it's pretty cute. And then my mom got me these hydrangeas that are just beautiful. But okay, shelves also. Shelves are up here. Not very decorated, but okay. That is everything. And we're gonna organize my stuff. I'm just gonna put some stuff in. Okay, I am going to do the outro on my phone because my SD card is plugged into my computer and I can't take it out yet. So before I do that though, I'm gonna make our bed because while editing I was like, I need to go make that. So we're gonna do that and then I'm gonna end this video. Okay, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!